Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to apply for a Chime checking account and get started with mobile banking. Applying for a Chime checking account is a simple process that can be done online or through the Chime mobile app, which is available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. To begin, you'll need to provide some basic personal information including your first and last name, social security number SSN, phone number, date of birth, home address, email address, and a password. This information is used to verify your identity and prevent fraud or money laundering. During the sign-up process, you may also be asked a few short questions such as, "What do you do for work?" and "How did you hear about us?" Please note that to open an account, you must be at least 18 years old and a US citizen or permanent resident. Once your information is reviewed and approved, you'll officially have access to your Chime checking account. The account comes with a Chime Visa debit card and gives you full access to Chime's mobile banking features. From within the app, you can deposit money, manage your transactions, and check your balance anytime. You can also open a high-yield savings account and apply for the secure Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card, which helps you build your credit history responsibly. To add funds to your account, you can set up direct deposit by giving your employer your Chime routing and account numbers. This information can be found in the app under Settings in the Direct Deposit Setup section or in the Move Money section under Move Your Direct Deposit. If you're switching banks or don't receive direct deposit, you can also transfer money from an external bank account into your Chime account. Once your account is set up and funded, you're ready to enjoy the convenience and flexibility of mobile banking with Chime.